Are you wondering why you have to spend so much money in the middle of summer because your energy bills? Well, let me show you how these ridge vents work and how you can replace the ones that the wind may took off. So let's start with this important video and the renovation of an entire house. We have a complete renovation of this beautiful farmhouse. Inside, outside, plumbing, electricity, foundation, bathrooms and kitchen. So it's going to be a beautiful and exciting project, and I want you to come with me and take a look at it. We're going to need two important elements. This 15 by 48 black plastic stick roof ridge vent, and also these shingles, these gray slate shingles. They are not architectural. They are the 3-tap. The one that you see here, the 3-tap, and you're going to cut it in 3 different pieces. Also, we're going to need some nails. We're going to need some glue, some cement and stuff like that. But these vents are the ones that are going to help you to remove all that hot air from your attic so you can keep a fresh air inside. So you can buy them in boxes. They're about $11 a piece. And the idea is to replace the ones that are on top. Maybe you don't have, maybe the air is not flowing like the way you see over here that has to flow, and you have trouble. So the idea is that all that air that is collecting over there in the attic gets removed in a natural way. So you're going to have a vent on the bottom and it goes all the way up. So the idea is this. Obviously, you got to be careful when you are climbing to your roof. You want to make sure that you have somebody around. In this case, I had a rope on the other side that was able to grab on and just kind of climb. For this, also, I had a plastic bag full of all the little elements that I need, including nails and hammer and all these things, and the cement, the asphalt cement and all these things. And the idea is to start working, installing the vents with the nails that are provided by the company. So these nails are about I would say about 2.5 inches long, and the idea is that you install these ones exactly where they ask you. You have these lines that kind of guide you where you have the saved area for you to install these nails. So you got to be careful. I mean, I'm sitting right on top of the vent because that is how strong it is, so I'm not so concerned about it. And the roof galvanized nails that are here, these flathead ones, are the ones that are going to help me as well in installing it in these little lines that you see here. So it is important that you install them right after you have that strip of asphalt. That little mark over there is the one that is going to attach the first thing against the next little segment of the shingle. This is something important you have to remember. Wherever you have an exposed nail, you want to go ahead and put that type of asphalt coating on top of that little asphalt cement, and make sure that those shingle sections that you have are secured properly. The first one that we're installing over here, we're going to use this one. You can buy these tubes at your local home improvement store, and you want to put a generous amount on the first one so you can actually make sure that it's fastened properly, is attached to the cap itself really well. After you do that, you start incrementing the segments as you move forward. You put in one on top of the other, and you make sure that you have your nails covered all the time. Now, if you have nails around the house, around the roof that you see that are exposed, go ahead and put some of that asphalt cement because it's really convenient. So now we went all the way to the original vent, but I see that the house itself has a lot of issues with the roof, and we may consider changing the entire roof of the house because it's really old. These caps that were here are just faulty, and you have a lot of nails that are exposed. Hence, we have a lot of issues on the inside of the house. So that is an important thing. You don't know how much money you will save if you put these vents on top. I encourage you to take a look at it, and obviously be careful because climbing roofs and all these things can be hazardous, and you want to make sure that you are comfortable doing this. So the next thing that you want to do is, again, if you find some nails that are exposed, like in this case, go ahead and cover them. But don't forget that all these little things have to be checked from time to time. So with this, I want to leave you. I want to make sure that you follow the rest of the videos that I have. So I'm making some playlists where you can actually see the entire renovation of this house. It was purchased, and it's a beautiful house to live in. So don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And thank you again for watching my videos. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.